Namaste everyone, here I am going to find a probability based on balls having different colors. Question runs like this. A bag contains 5 white, 7 black and 8 red balls. A ball is drawn at random. Find the probability of getting a red ball, non-white ball and white ball or black ball. Try to understand this question. A bag contains, suppose this is a bag like this, and in this bag there are 5 white bags, 5 white balls, 7 black balls and 8 red balls. Now total number of balls in this bag will be 5 plus 7, that is 12, plus 8, that is 20 balls. When we draw a ball from this bag, then balls will be either white or black or red. And out of these 20 balls, any one will be drawn. Here, number of white balls, that is given 5. Number of black balls, that is 7. Number of red balls, that is 8. Total number of balls, that is 20. Now we have to calculate probability like this. Let a red ball, let R is an event of getting red balls. Hence, number of elements in this event will be red, that is 8. Hence, probability of getting red ball, it will be number of elements in this event, number of elements in R by total number of elements in this sample space. Number of elements in this sample space will be 20. Number of R is 8. 8 by 20. 4 2 is 8 and 4 5 is 20. It is 2 by 5. So probability of getting a red ball is 2 by 5. Now non-white ball. Non-white ball, let W dash is equal to event of getting non-white. In this event, number of elements will be non-white, not white. Except this, we have 7 plus 8, that is 15 elements, non-white. Hence, probability of getting non-white ball, that is W dash or W over bar, like this. It will be number of elements in this event. Number of elements in this event W dash, it will be 15. Number of elements in this W dash or W bar by number of elements in sample space, that will be 15 by 20. 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20. It will be 3 by 4. So probability of getting non-white ball from this bag, that will be 3 by 4. Now 3 question runs like this. White ball or black ball? Let A is equal to event of getting white ball or black ball. Hence, number of elements in this event A, getting white ball or black ball. White ball, that is 5. Black ball, that is 7. Total number, its sum will be 5 plus 7, that is 12. White ball or black ball. Hence, PA, probability of getting white ball or black ball, is equal to number of elements in this event A by number of elements in sample space, that is 12 by 20. 4 3 are 12 and 4 5 are 20, that is 3 by 5. In this way, probability of getting white ball or black ball from this bag containing 20 balls is 3 by 5. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.